Okay, it's that day. Alright. What is it? 13 May 2026. Let me get this other thing. There we go. Okay, it's this time of day right here. It's 13 May 2026. Alright, so this down. I've got a Sanyo M9940K. And I got to take out this tape that I have in here and find a cassette I can play. Alright, so here's the beginning of this cassette here. So hit forward, hit that, play. So that does that. Then I just want to bring it up to you and show you that if we hit forward, it forwards, right? If we hit rewind, it rewinds. And if we hit play, oh, it's at the beginning of the tape, right? So I'm going to sit here and play that all day long. And then of course the radio, right?
It's required 80 or 800. Consisted of flying.
There is that, right? Mind you, I want you to note something. This has silver speakers, all right? Now let me just that down and look at that, black speakers. Okay, plug this one in. All right, so there we go. Did I lose my tape in this machine? I did. There we go. Get it out of there. Stereo. Let's see here. Start with the
Plans to help you save no matter how you use energy. Whether that's an all-nighter. Welcome in. Purchased at Craven. Students and seniors.
The radio works. And if you put a tape in, and hit, again, hit play, but it's at the end. Gotta put it on where the side has music. Okay, let's see here, let's try that again. Hit play. And it fast forwards and play, and then hit rewind and play. So fast forward at the beginning of the tape there. So there we go. Anyway, I'll be here all day playing that. Just so you don't think you're seeing double, right? You're not. You are seeing double. There's one of each. All right, gotta go. Now that I did that, did this. Okay, so 150 each. That's anyway, 150. And then that's right. Here's this thing. This is a Sanyo MR-U4SL Red. And this one, I recently rebuilt it yesterday, I think. Maybe I'll make a video about it, I don't know. Let's see. That's the end of the tape, that's the beginning of the tape. Put it in here so the beginning of the tape can be seen. Put it in here, that's right. Just like that. And then, let's see here. So that works. Stop, move my tape out of here. Alright. And then, I don't know if you can see it on the screen there, somebody asked me about a Sanyo MR-U4SL. Okay, so there it is on screen, and it arrived today. Let me get the keyboard here and just look. See, so if we go, it looks like that. Like this, like that, that. So it's got what? Got a piece of tape on the bottom. Got that there, and that's what it looks like in the front. There we go. So there's that, right? And I was recently going through the pictures of the, well, anyway, let me go back to this. All right. Okay, so now let me get some scissors. Okay, scissors. And this arrived just like that. Okay, so let's just get into it. So we just, all right, so, and the listing said that they basically didn't have a power supply to plug this in because this thing takes a barrel power supply, and so they didn't have one. They couldn't play it. So that's all that's all they know about this. All right. And let's see here. Well, I just have to go through some more here. See if we can just rip into it here. Okay. That, and some more. All right, some more tape. All right, there we go. Okay, and that's it, just whatever. All right, so now we gotta unwrap some more. Okay. It's a nice thing about these small ones, they don't, anyway. Okay, so now, maybe we can unwrap it. Getting there. Another layer. I thought I could unwrap the whole thing, but nope. Okay. More tape. Alright. You just need one piece of tape to hold all this stuff together. You don't need to tape it all like this. Alright, so. Getting there. And then it's in a plastic bag. Wow. Okay, plastic bag. Okay. While I'm over here, I need my little power supply thing. Here's my, oops. Well, come on. Come on, there we go. So, a little multi-voltage, polarity, whatever, little thing here with the multiple ends on it, right? Plug that in. Okay, there we go. And now we still got to take the plastic wrap off, so. Golly, more tape. Alright. Didn't put enough tape on the plastic bag and all the other stuff. There we go. So, let's, okay, here we go. Finally. Almost, okay. There we go. Plastic bag, there it is. Tape on the bottom, tape on the front. Okay. Pause, stop. Eject. Won't eject. There it goes. Just needs a spring. Okay, door does latch. Alright. Okay, so now let's go to power. power in the end here, which goes right here. Should work. See, it's on. Metal tape radio. It's got tone, high and low. That's on AM.
Way FM has a $4,256 shortfall. Okay, that's where, if we want to see this hour hit the mark, it's got to be another 4,256. So a big gift would be...
This is stereo.
Las decisiones podían
He's being the
landmark.
can too. Is it?
Special financing for 60 months on any purchase with your good credit and enjoy free shipping as soon as next day. Shop the Memorial Day event and save only at Living Spaces.
Living Spaces.
Yep.
The 2026 PBR World Finals Unleash the Beast returns to the home of PBR, Fort Worth, Texas, this weekend, and it's time to see who will prove their worth and come home with the gold buckle. The PBR.
Okay, well, I can hear the motor running, but nothing rotates. So, yeah. Okay. Yep, needs belts for sure, and needs to have all this neat stuff cleaned off of here, and needs some serious cleaning of this. So we'll get to that a little bit later, or another day or something, but so now I think I have this one, a red one, and then I have two more blue ones back in the back, but they are the 7780 or 7770 or something like that. I'm not real sure, but anyway, so this one's, let's see here, both, let's just try that again. Put the radio on.
Little maintenance goes a long way. Our monthly service plan will keep your garage door running smoothly, so you never have to deal with a broken garage door again. It's simple.
And then,
Saves you time and costly repairs.
so that all works. So that's good. Got a good amplifier, good everything. Just need to have this, get the goo gone on there and clean that off. Find the spring for the door to make it pop open by itself. And put a new belt in this. But we have another small one coming. A General Electric 6035B, I think it is. Or 6025, wait. 3-6025B coming in a day or so. I haven't had one of those in a long time. Anyway, this is really small to work on. And it's what? Oh, let's see here. Here's a Panasonic. Let's see, here's what? Panasonic is just about the same size, roughly. I don't know, but anyway, there it is. I'm done here. Let me take a little picture of this. Consider this ended. All right. Well, here we can. Let's see here. Tell you what, we can set that there. We can put this back here. We can get this here, right? And throw this up there, right? It's sitting on scissors, right? Here, wait. Get the scissors out of the way. And running out of space to put everything. Wait. Whoopsies. Okay. The scissors out of the way. There we go. And then put this up here, right? And then we can set this other thing on top of it, kinda. Alright, there we go. Now you know how big these big, small units are, right? So there we go. I'll take a picture like that. And we'll say, thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go. Oh, that's why we gotta say goodbye. Goodbye.